Hello friends, welcome to our new video entitled Plasma Therapy. As you all know that no drug or medicine till now has been proved to be safe and effective for treating COVID-19. But in some cases, plasma therapy has shown a significant effect against COVID-19 or we can say coronavirus. So, let's just start our video with a brief introduction of plasma, which is one of the main constituent of blood. Blood consists of RBC, red blood cells, WBC, white blood cells, plasma and platelets. Apart from plasma, all the blood constituents plays a vital role in the functioning of body. But nowadays during this pandemic, plasma is also playing a key role. Plasma is the largest part of the blood. It makes up more than half, that is, about 55% of its overall content. When separated from the blood, plasma is a light yellow liquid. It has many functions like it carries the blood components throughout the body and also carries water, salts and enzymes. It also contains some crucial components of immunity which are known as antibodies. The main role of the plasma is to take nutrients, hormones and proteins to the parts of the body who need it. It also helps in removing the waste from the body. Let us now discuss what is plasma therapy or CPT, that is convalescent plasma therapy. When pathogens attack our body, our immune system starts working and releases some proteins to fight with an infection. These proteins are known as antibodies. If the infected person produces a significant or a sufficient amount of protein, then he or she will be recovered by the antibodies itself. In plasma therapy, such immunity can be transferred from a healthy person to sick with the help of blood plasma. Convalescent plasma is a liquid part of the blood from the recovered patients of COVID-19. Hence, we can say that in plasma therapy, the blood of the recovered person, which is rich in antibodies, is used to treat other sick people. The idea behind the therapy is that antibodies produced by the patients who have or had survived the virus will boost the immune system of those who are critically ill or are fighting with the COVID-19. So, let's discuss that how does convalescent plasma therapy works. In this technique, the blood is ejected from the recovered patient of COVID-19 or coronavirus. Then, the serum is separated and screened for virus-neutralizing antibodies. The antibodies-rich serum is then administered to a COVID-19 patient who is showing severe symptoms. The process of donating plasma takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour. The donors of the plasma are hooked up to a small device that removes plasma while simultaneously returning red blood cells to their bodies. The plasma rich with antibodies is taken from the recovered patients of COVID-19 and then is infused into the bloodstream of other coronavirus patients.